Good morning to all. Can I audible? मित्रांनो माझा आवाज येतोय का? Please submit attendance in chat box. Submit attendance in chat box. महिमा आवाज येतोय माझा?
हो सर.
ओके. प्लीज सबमिट अटेंडन्स इन चॅट बॉक्स. लेक्चर झाले ना तिकडचं?
झाले सर.
ओके. Yes, send the message on the WhatsApp group for joining fast. Please submit attendance in chat box. Submit attendance in chat box. गुरुदास आवाज येतोय माझा?
हो सर.
सगळ्यांनी अटेंडन्स दिला का? अटेंडन्स फाईल करा. Okay friends, okay, we start the lecture, today's lecture. Here I am going to share the screen. काय झालं याला? Just wait. Friends, can you able to see the screen? Screen is visible. Shared screen is visible. जरा बोला कोण तरी.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Today we start the next chapter, that is the coupled oscillations. And here we are going to see the introduction of the oscillations or coupled oscillation. That is, the coupled oscillations are the oscillators. That is, coupled oscillators are the oscillator connected in such a way that energy can be transferred between them. Means that these are the two such oscillators in which transfer of the energy will be make, or the transfer of the energy will be exist. Such oscillator, there are considered A and B are the both oscillator, and if the energy of A oscillator is transferred to the B oscillator, that system is known as an coupled oscillators. When the oscillators are known as an coupled oscillator, when and only when the transfer of energy will be exist between them, then these are known as an coupled oscillators. That is, if the two oscillator can transfer the energy from each other or vice versa, then that oscillator are known as an coupled oscillator. Then the general motion of the general motion can be become complex, and it may not be a periodic. See here, you know that if there is the single pendulum, and single pendulum is oscillating about the mean position, that movement, that motion, that oscillatory motion is known as an periodic. But if there are the two pendulums and they are connected with the very small spring, and if they are oscillated from mean position, then the energy will be transferred between them, and due to the transferring of the energy, that system become complex. It means that 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 system become complicated due to the transfer of the energy, and such a complex system, such a combined system is known as an coupled oscillation. See here, in general motion, the general motion can be complex. It may not be a periodic. However, we can find that the coordinate frame in which each oscillator will be oscillate with the well-defined frequency called as a normal mode. A normal mode of oscillating system is a pattern of the motion in which all part of the system will sinusoidal. They will be move sinusoidal. That is the simple harmonic motion. That is the simple harmonically with the same frequency and fixed relation, phase relation. That means that consider there is the one of the simple pendulum, which will be connected with, it will be tied to the rigid support. That bob of the simple pendulum will be stable at mean position, and if the external force is applied, if I apply the external force and move the bob from mean position to some displacement, and if I release the bob, then bob try to came to the mean position, but it does not directly came to the mean position. With oscillating on a to and fro motion, with making to and fro motion, that bob will be came to the mean position after number of oscillation. It means that that system become periodic. That system will be simple harmonic motion. It will be exhibit the signal simple harmonic motion, and after number of oscillation, it will be came to the mean position. That will be the simple harmonic motion. See here, such a motion will be known as a simple harmonic motion, and also the simple harmonically with same frequency and with the same phase relationship or fixed phase relationship. It means that in simple harmonic motion, the phase relationship of the oscillatory motion, it should be fixed. It should be fixed. And this is the one of the characteristic of the simple harmonic motion or the simple harmonic periodic motion that will be known as an oscillatory motion. This normal mode, we know that the normal mode and again the complex mode, that is symmetric mode, antisymmetric mode. These are the types. But in simple system, but in simple periodic system, the system will behave the simple harmonic motion, and in simple harmonic motion, its frequency as well as its phase relationship should be fixed. Should be fixed. This normal mode of the system or its natural frequency, we know that स्क्रीन का शेअर होईल झाले रे स्क्रीन शेअरिंग मधून बाहेर का पडायला लागले जस्ट वेट शेअरिंग होत नाही थोडासा नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम दिसतोय see here that is the normal mode of the system the normal modes of the system are its natural frequency it means काय व्हायला लागलंय? We are sorry but words run into error that just wait there is a problem in sharing the document. Okay, that is the normal mode, and for any oscillating system that is like physical object काय व्हायला लागले रे शेअरिंगच होईना झालं. Yes, yeah, we are sorry but world has run into error. Running into the wrong working need to be closed as जथम एक मिनिट ओके
जी फाईल सेव्ह करा पहिल्यांदा
शिवायच
खाली ओपन आहे का बघा ती फाईल पहिल्यांदा
नाही फक्त ओपन
आता करायचं
Yes, I would like to use it now.
कॉपी करून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी ठेवा ती फाईल
रिपेयर नाव बोलली एकच मिनिट जर
डेस्कटॉपला द्या तिकडेच
तिकडे
बोलतो.
हे इकडे म्हणते सर. जस्ट वेट.
कॉपी करून घ्यायला
नाही रे, नेहमी रन होते ते.
होते पण आता तात्पुरतं.
एकदा बघूया, नाही तर मग कॉपी करू. काय लागलंय लक्षात आलं म्हणजे काय व्हायला लागलं ते. ह्याचा एरर आहे. एररचा एक जो डायलॉग बॉक्स येतो तो येत नाहीये.
चालेल
तसंच येते.
डेस्कटॉप आदेश खाली ऑफिसला गेले काय करायचं काय काम फिजिक्सचा ग्रुप ऍड करायचं फिजिक्सचं यांचं हे करायचं
काय करायचं
ग्रुपला ऍड करायचं ऍडमिशन झाले
कुठल्या ग्रुपला
कुठला ग्रुप
लादे सर आता बहुतेक परीक्षेच्या तिकडे गेले. जस्ट वेट फ्रेंड्स. हा घे की नंबर. का रे जा की साहेबांसाठी. आलोय म्हणायचं तेवढ्याच साठी मी भेटून जायचं म्हटलं तुम्हाला. अगदी ते पीडी वगैरे असेल त्याच्या ह्याच्यात बोल. ओके ओके ओके. नाही रे पा नाही ते रिपेअर असं म्हटलं ना त्यातनं जाते. शेल्फ काय उघड्या जस्ट वेट जस्ट वेट वेट वेट.
ऍडमिशन झाले तरी भेटलं पाहिजे सांगितलं पाहिजे सप्टेंबरच्या आधीच आजपर्यंत होतं
फ्रेंड्स जस्ट वेट. आज काय भानगड झाली सर. नाही झालं.
दोन असतील मॅथ्सला जाते
Okay. Screen is shared. Please reply me. Reply me. जरा बोला. कोणतरी स्क्रीन शेअर झाल्या का? फ्रेंड्स, स्क्रीन शेअर झाल्या का?
हो सर.
Okay. Then in normal modes here, that is these normal mode, just we came here, that is this normal mode of the system, it's at the natural frequency, that is the oscillating frequency, that will be known as an natural frequency of the SHM. That is the physical object, like the building, bridges, molecules, or the atoms in the molecule, or the motifs in the crystal structure, has a set natural mode whose natural frequencies depend upon the shape, size, structure, and boundary condition. Friends, that natural frequency of the any body which is under the SHM, inside the body there are the atom, and atoms are oscillating, means that they are existing the SHM, and these physical object like the building or the bridge or the molecule has set the normal mode whose natural frequencies are depend upon the shape, size, structure, and boundary condition of that material. That is the most general motion of the system is the superposition of the normal mode. We know that in superposition, in first chapter, super harmonic oscillation, we see that the superposition of two normal modes in musical system, in musical instrument. Normal modes are called as the harmonic or overtones. We know that. That is, the normal mode is the overtone where the resonance will be formed. And different modes can be exist quite independent. In normal mode, there are the different modes or the different overtones, and these will be independently exist, because the musical experts the music experts can hear such a type of tones, that will be the overtones, and these overtones are different. And we in last chapter we see that how the overtones are different. Okay, see here, in this chapter of the coupled oscillator, in this chapter we will discussing the energy of the coupled oscillation, means that the energy of the coupled oscillator, how it can be transferred from one system to other system, and how the coupled oscillatory system can become the complex system complex system that will be studied in this chapter. In this chapter we will discuss the energy of the coupled oscillation, and also the energy transfer in the coupled oscillatory system. That is the in this complex system, how the energy will be transferred, it has to be studied in this chapter. And the vibrations of the atom in molecules, and in vibration of the atom and ion or the solid, the most important for familiar example of the coupled oscillatory system. We know that in bridge, in building, we know that the material are to be used, the steel is to be used, the cement and the stone are to be used. And we know that if an external energy काय व्हायला लागले रे आज? Just wait. मित्रांनो, आजचं थांबू दे आज लेक्चर. चॅटबॉक्सला जरा अटेंडन्स फाईल करा. नाही. फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज फाईल द अटेंडन्स इन चॅटबॉक्स. शेअरच होईना. बहुतेक काहीतरी ते मगाच्या 2-3 वेळा ऑफ झालं ना. काय त्याच्यामध्ये प्रॉब्लेम
फक्त
आला.
ती हे वर्ड फाईल्स काय हे होत नाही का?
शेअरच होत नाही.
वर्ड फाईल फक्त स्क्रीनच शेअर होत नाही.
मायक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड फाईलच होईना झालं. जरा मुलं जाऊ देत की बघूया. ज्यांनी अटेंडन्स दिलाय ते जरा हे व्हा, लिव्ह व्हा. असं कधी झालं नाही आजपर्यंत. लिव्ह व्हा म्हणायचा अवकाश पडून.
समाधान मोबाईल आपला ठेवलाय कुठेतरी.